So, the very new game from Top. Oh, this is Project Vaelius and this. It's a space game with a little space guy that can clone and get more clones along the way home to Earth. And one of the clones, at least the last one, may have to go alive to Earth. They want him alive, so we gotta pass through lots of things, as you will see now. Well, so let's try to get all the clones for the start from the beginning. Oh, we got oxygen, with time, we got enemies that can take us out of oxygen, and we gotta kill them and pick up the keys to open the doors. So the keys is right on my feet. So shit. Well, I was crazy. I'm a crazy bastard now. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh, this was not oxygen. These clones. Oh shit. Oh man. So clones means lives, you know. In these games, clones means more lives spent. So watch out here. Don't eat the green little refrigerating things. So you gotta be fast, smooth, and smart. So I don't know what I pick here, but I picked something. So let's keep killing our enemies. They deserve to die. Did not take too long. And across the board. Oh, widget message. Welcome to the planet Calibos. Oh, I entered the planet Calibos. Be very careful with the illegal looters. You steal the cores. We have sent some time spirals to go back in time to collect more DNA from the species. Also, I got to collect DNA from the species. Okay, they want me back on Earth, and they want me to collect the DNA from the species. Oh shit. Guys, crazy. Oh shit. So I lost one life. Trying to save the Earth, the universe. It's easy to destroy. If you feel like you want to destroy the universe, talk with me. I may destroy the universe for you, you know? Oh shit. So, now I'm gonna kill these. I'm gonna catch some more clones back in time. So, I must open the door again. Oh, I may lose the oxygen. So we're gonna enter there and I'm gonna leave. Oh. Oh shit. Try not to eat the red little trick-rating machines. They look like hurricanes. Oh shit. I don't believe. No, I'm losing too much clones here. Okay. Watch out, these faster, faster. Okay. 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 So let's just oh shit. Oh, holy damn. Only 8 clones. Oh shit. Try not to die with the first death. Dying mentally. Because it's an advice. It's an advice. Try to wake up. Oh shit. That was too high. Okay. If you're not dead, this game will kill you. You can. You may need. Oh shit! Why? But why? More careful there. Only got 5 clones. Oh shit! And I'm spending the damn clones. Oh shit! I don't believe. Well, I must be faster on the keys. I don't believe it. Why does this happen? Can't be. Okay. I must be more careful. Oh shit. Okay, I just destroyed the universe. Vaelius did it for me. So, the universe just down the way. Don't worry, it takes centuries to reach Earth. But the universe is. No, it's not. It's kind of. Okay. Bye bye.